everybody! And today, I'm going to talk about the people to power at the Watkins Glen International Speedway. Oh, this is hard. It was a really good race today. A lot of races. It was tough for athletes if you say right. So what I'm going to do right now is 45. A final lap of the race for you guys to do it off to win the race today at Watkins Glen. So here is the final lap.
4 to go. Pace cars off the track. Joey Logano on the inside, Brad Keselowski on the outside. Green flag back in the air. We're back to racing. And Suarez slow to get up through the gears. He drops a couple spots. 3 wide again as they go through 1. Bumping and banging as they get into the S's. Yeah, they're not getting single file for the S's now. The two of Brian Scott and Elliott Sadler, they're going to try to make it. Brian Scott's the winner up through the middle S. And Chase Elliott follows them through. Chase Elliott stays right in behind the two of Brian Scott. A great restart once again for Joey Logano. Brad Keselowski, they're 1 and 2. The final 2 turns for Joey Logano and Brad Keselowski. They've got plenty of fuel. He hits his marks. Through 6 and back through 7. Looking for his 25th career win. Coming out of turn 7. Joey Logano's going to win at Watkins Glen.
Road course win. That's right. It's all you guys. Thank you.
Joey Logano taking advantage of the different grandstands around Watkins Glen. He'll do burnouts, donuts around the track in front of all the fans.
Oh, Ali I flew from that stereo. Slowly Logano went off and went away today at Watkins Glen. That is really cool, and his teammate finished second last in Milwaukee for a World Tour finish for 10 races. I'm hearing too. Now, I'm going to show you guys one more stereo because after the weight was on, there was a little bit of drama. So here is what happened after the weight was on.
Regan Smith chatting with the 62 of Brendan Gaughan. Saw that there was some issues earlier between those two. Wait for victory lane. Oh, and we've got issues. Dillion, Regan Smith. We saw Dillion get into Regan Smith on a restart. The discussion hasn't gone well.
Does a driver have to have a conversation with 2 different drivers?
My goodness, Regan Smith did today. Dillion finishes this race in 5th. The day did not go as well for Regan Smith. Dave.
And chatting with his dad right now is Dillion. A lot of contact out there on the track today. What do you think Regan's point was trying to be here?
I don't know, he didn't say much. So he's going to wreck me, but we'll see. You know, I hate that for his guys, but it's a mistake on my fault. Honestly, I was going to talk to him about it, but I guess he didn't want to talk. So if he wants to do that, meet him in the bus lot, we'll handle it. I'm not afraid. But proud of our Yingling Light Lager Chevrolet. Nick and the boys did a good job. I just made 2 real big mistakes, and I took full blame for it. But you know, to come down here picking a fight, different game. I'll get whatever you want.
Describe what you were trying to do on that restart, Ty.
I got a good run on Boris. Or that was the second one. I got a good run. Cut to the inside, and it's the first time I've done that here at this racetrack, and I've seen people be able to do it, and I just didn't complete it. Simple as that. I made a big mistake. Got the wheel hopping, and there was no saving. I did it 2 times in a row. I'm very disappointed in myself for doing that. Not only did I tear up everybody else's car, but I tore up mine. Very apologetic about that, but not about after the race.
All right, top 5 for Ty Dillion today. Mike?
Man, Regan Smith walking back toward the garage. What was your side of the story?
Well, I got dumped in turn 1. It was pretty plain and simple, and I don't think I'm the only one that he dumped today, so it's disappointing for Tax Slayer. All the guys at Junior Motorsports have worked really hard on these race cars. I guarantee you, I might have lost the championship today, but he sure as hell did too. There's 0 chance that 3-car wins this championship, and I'm going to make sure of it.
He took responsibility for what happened on the restart. He actually took issue with the comments afterwards, but as far as restart goes, he took responsibility.
Well, of course he did. He came out of all of them unscathed. I'd take responsibility too, as well as if I knew that the car was back there in 30th place, out of my way. You got to worry about it when you do that.
Regan Smith, we're going to let him go. Obviously very upset, guys.
Oh yeah, a little bit of drama after the week on between Regan Smith and Ty Dillion. As you guys heard, Regan Smith was not happy with Ty Dillion because of that when Ty Dillion had that little mistake he made when he made contact with Regan Smith on a restart. So yeah, let's see what will happen in the next week. And all the way up in the year, he will happen. We just went might fly through some of the Ty Dillion. You never know. That NASCAR for you. People will get mad sometimes. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is who what the point standing is right now after today's race. So, we start with purple, the super point wheel, and we start Ty with Elliott is second, Ty Dillion is 2, Regan Smith is 4th, and Elliott Sadler is 5th. And this will have a white point in here, but I think it's pretty much the same. Yeah. Well, the white point is the avocado that I met up. So yeah. Well, in a while, waiting weight, especially at the end of the weight. Yeah. So I have moving all I really kind of thought about. It was a great weight. So yeah. So that was until the going. So now next week's weight is going to be at another World Foot weight. After that World Foot weight is going to be at the Mid-Ohio Foot. We race forward here at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Race for the top at about 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to be on the NBC Sports Network. So yeah, we are going World Foot weight up there next week. And see what happens next week. Alright, and I do have a white point there now, and yeah, I am white. Okay, what white? Oh yeah, 34.3 right now for West Coastal. Alright, so 45 is for his area, and I was posting you guys in my next week's area. Bye everybody.